Let us continue our discussion about handling exceptions. Previous lesson, I told that we should think about this A variable as a user input, which is out of our control. If the value of A is 5 or more, the JVM will not execute the code, but it will throw an exception. Now I am going to teach you how to get prepared for risky situations like this. We don't want our program to stop. We just want it to take an action which will recover the situation, like showing an alert box on user's screen telling, please enter another number which is less than 5. This is the basic syntax of a try-catch block. Alright, let us try to catch the exception. Try and catch? Those are the keywords we mainly use to handle exceptions. We can enclose the risky code line with a try-catch block, like this. This is how we do it. Type try, then curly braces. Type the ending curly brace. After that, type the catch keyword. Within parentheses, type exception E. What is exception E? Exception is a class stored in Java library to support us when handling exception conditions. What we are doing here is, we take the exception thrown by the JVM as an object of type exception, using this reference variable. Add curly brackets again. Now, within these curly brackets of catch block, we can write some code to recover the situation. Let us just type a system.out.println to demonstrate how this works. Type an exception found. Finally is a keyword we use with try-catch most of the time. The code we put inside the finally block will always execute, whether there is an exception or not. Let us code the finally block here. Remember, this finally block is optional. If you don't have a requirement to write so, don't write one. Our code will compile and run just fine. This is the good time to compile and run the code. You know, we only have to click here. Eclipse will do the rest. Alright. The try-catch block has caught the exception, and the finally block has also worked. Let us change the value of A to 3 and run the code. You can see, no exception now, and finally block has executed again. Alright. From next lesson, I will teach you multiple catch blocks for exception matching. Please watch and practice these videos at least 3 times. Hope to see you soon with the next lesson.